So in this clip, we're going to be talking about the process of meditation. I'm actually going to talk you through how to meditate. Now, if you haven't watched clip 1 in terms of the benefits of meditation and why you should meditate, I suggest that you go back so that you get a better understanding of it. Now, I said in the previous clip, and I'll say this to you now, is that sometimes you're going to find it extremely easy to meditate. Other times it's going to be difficult. But the important thing is for you to stick with it. And if you're ready, let's start the process. What I encourage you to do is to find a place that you are comfortable with. A place where you can either lie down or you can sit up. You see, meditation isn't about keeping your eyes open or closed. It isn't about sitting with your legs crossed. It's just about you being comfortable and in a place where you can focus and enjoy the stillness. Now, find that place, whether you prefer standing or sitting, whether you prefer having your legs folded or straight out, that's up to you. So choose a place and then we'll start with the meditation process. The way we're going to start this is with a soft focus. And when I say soft focus, I mean, let's start this with your eyes open. And all I need you to do is to take note of your surroundings. Just bring your consciousness to your body and notice your breathing. Notice the weight of your body against the surface. Notice any resistance that you may be feeling. Take note of any thoughts you may have. And whilst you have the soft focus, take a couple of deep breaths in. So breathe in and release. In again and release. And whilst you're breathing on your own, what I'd like you to do is just to focus on your breaths. Take note of the feeling against your nasal passages when the air flows through your nostrils. Take note of how your body relaxes and releases tension when you exhale. And whilst you're doing that, also continue to take note of your surroundings. And now we're going to take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently close your eyes. And in the moment of you closing your eyes, just become aware of your surroundings. Become aware of the noises you may hear. Become aware of your breath. Again, become aware of any tension that you may feel in your body. And just sit with the thoughts for a moment. You don't have to do anything else but listen to my voice. And as your mind may drift and thoughts may come into your brain, just acknowledge it. Don't resist it. Don't judge it. Just acknowledge it and release it. Just allow it to flow in your brain and out of your brain. And more distracted you feel you're becoming, just bring your focus back to your breath. We're going to take a deep breath in again. And now you're going to release. And as you release that breath, just enjoy the stillness. Enjoy the fact that you have to be nowhere at this point in time. The fact that you're going to be sitting or lying down and just spending time by yourself. And know that through this process, your brain is developing and you're getting value, although you can't see it. Take a deep breath in again and release. And the way we're going to do this now is as we breathe in to help you with your focus, we're going to count. And a breath in will be 1 and a breath out will be 2. But you're going to count this out in your mind. And we're going to do a breathe in and breathe out up to a count of 10. So breathe in, 1, breathe out, 2, and continue your breaths until you reach 10. And when you get to 10, we start over again, breathing in and breathing out. And bring your focus to your breathing. Note that your mind will drift and thoughts will come into your head. Once again, don't judge it. Don't become frustrated by it. It's just your brain doing what it naturally does. Acknowledge it, release it, and bring your focus back to your breathing. That's it. Breathe in and release. Just notice how your eyes become more relaxed. The tiny muscles around your eyes and your eyelids become more relaxed as you breathe in and breathe out. Take note of your breath in as your chest rises, and as you breathe out, the tension releases. Also take note of how you're breathing. Are your breaths long or short? Does your chest fill up with air and rise to its fullest capacity or not? And just take note of the movement in your body. Feel where the flow of air goes. Feel the movement as you breathe in. Is the movement in your chest? Is the movement in your stomach? Is the movement in your shoulders? And if you can't feel the movement, just take your hands and gently place it on your chest. All this while still keeping your eyes closed, and breathe in and breathe out. That's it. Just continue to focus on your breath. That's it. Now take one more deep breath in and exhale, and feel the tension from your body release as you exhale. There we go. That's it. And what I'd like you to do now is just allow your brain to focus on whatever it needs to focus. Whatever thoughts that it wants to think, allow it to do that, without judging it and without questioning it. Just allow your brain to bring in the thoughts that it needs to, and then release it. And once you've done that, another deep breath in and exhale. Bring your consciousness back to your breathing. And just take note as to how your body feels. And when you're ready, and only when you're ready, allow yourself to come back into the room, into your environment, and open your eyes. And as you're doing that, take note again of your breaths, whether they're long or short, deep or shallow. Take note of the weight of your body against the surface. Take note of the noise or the sounds in your environment. And before you move or wake up from where you are, just scan your body and see if the tension that you had in spaces when you first scanned it, if they're still there, or have they been released. But also take note of how you're feeling. but take note of the intention of your meditation and carry that feeling through to the rest of your day. So make a deliberate and conscious decision to take this feeling of calmness, of relaxation, of contentment into the rest of your day.